Hi, State Farm. My name's Caleb from Panda Exteriors. That shows up. Yeah, this is a wind damaged shingle deemed damaged by State Farm. So what I'm going to do is take this out, put this in. There's no unsealed shingles. You know, that's a little bit unsealed, but you can see where some of it's sealed. I haven't manipulated anything, and I'm just going to check out the repairability of this shingle.
Will do. She's just telling us to be careful. Just keep going.
Alright, so I got everything unsealed. Try not to lift these shingles above 45 degrees. Mat transfer on here is crazy. Alright. Now, Caleb, you want to come?
As you can see right here, and there's a tear all along this shingle. Heavy chunks of mat transfer. We've got delamination right here. More just globs of mat transfer. More down there. Let's look under this shingle. One big spot of mat transfer right there. Got another 2 big spots. Another one right there. Also have more delamination. Just delamination. Yeah, this repair is definitely going to be marked as a fail. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your night.